Hi, welcome to the video. Here we're going to talk about attracting your love, your ex, or anyone you desire. Manifesting love is easy. It's just subconscious mind connection. Our goal is to help you fill your life with love that you desire. Now, is there someone you want to attract? Someone you like? Your crush? Or maybe you went through a breakup, a separation, or maybe you two never fully came together and now they're distant, ghosting, silent, and somewhere deep inside you, there's this feeling. They will come back. You're not wrong. That feeling, that's not desperation. That's your soul knowing something your mind hasn't accepted yet. Stay with me, because today we're going to shift that energy completely. Here's the truth that most people never hear. In most cases, when they want to come back, something is stopping them. Not logic, not circumstances. It's energy, a wall of dense, heavy vibration sitting between you and them. And here's the part that might surprise you. You built that wall not intentionally, but unknowingly. Every anxious thought, every sleepless night, every time you replayed what went wrong, you were unknowingly transmitting a frequency of loss and fear directly into their energy field. And that frequency, it pushes people away. Now, take a breath, because this is not about blame, this is about power. If your energy built that wall, your energy can dissolve it. There is an ancient energetic law that very few people talk about. I call it the law of need. The more you need someone, the less likely they are to come. Sad. I know, when you place someone so high on a pedestal, when you make them supreme, when your happiness depends on them choosing you, you stop being magnetic. Always remember, need says, I am not enough without them. Knowing says, I am whole, and they feel it. This is the shift from need to knowing, from chasing to becoming irresistible. Here's something that will completely change how you think about silence. Right now, you are filling their energy field every single second. Your worry, your longing, your pain, they feel all of it, even without a single message. What they cannot feel right now is your absence. And absence is magnetic. When you pull back your energy, when you stop flooding them with your hunger, they begin to feel a void. Where did they go? Why don't I feel them anymore? I need to reach out. That is the moment. That is when they come back. Not because you chased them, but because you stopped. Let me give you 6 shifts you can start today. Shift 1, rebuild your self-concept. Become the best, highest version of yourself, not for them, for you. When your energy rises, your magnetism rises. They will feel it. Shift 2, embrace independence. Go places, do things, fall in love with your own company. When they sense this independent energy, they will not believe it at first, and then they will crave you. Shift 3, radiate positive energy. Every morning, play our subliminal audios, anyone that you like. Feel positive, and say this: good things are flowing into my life today. Program your mind before the world does. You know, most people watch videos like this and feel better for a few hours. Then the anxiety comes back. That's because information alone doesn't shift deep energetic patterns. Practice does. Daily ritual does. That's exactly why we created the 21-day Love Manifestation Sadhana, a sacred 21-day program with subliminal audio tracks, daily ritual guides, and manifestation protocols designed to reprogram your energy from the inside out. Not to sell you something, but because we've seen what happens when people actually do the work versus just watching videos. The difference is real, and it's profound. If you feel called to go deeper, the link is right below this video. No pressure, just an open door. Shift 4, develop mystery. You don't need to share everything. Think of a gift under a Christmas tree. The mystery of what's inside is often more exciting than the reveal. Become that gift again. Shift 5, maintain sacred distance. You don't need to reply to every message if they want to be closer. Make them move towards you. Shift 6, meditate and visualize every single day. Close your eyes. See the two of you already together, not chasing, not begging, just together, happy, at peace, in love. Feel it as if it has already happened. The universe responds to certainty, not wishful thinking. And here is perhaps the most powerful thing I will say today. Live your life on purpose, not waiting, not pausing your life until they return, but truly, deeply living. Write your dreams down, take inspired action toward them every single day. When you live like this, you become someone they cannot stop thinking about, someone they regret losing, someone they beg to come back to. Not because you tried to win them back, but because you became undeniably yourself. To bring it all together, stop transmitting need, start radiating.